Hello, this is Carrie with Cookbook Divas. Today I want to talk about Napa Valley Naturals cold pressed organic sesame oil. It's by Stonewall Kitchen. It's a medium high heat cooking. So you can use this. I use sesame oil to flavor my vegetarian egg drop soup, which I make at home because when you go to a restaurant it's not vegetarian. So that's great for flavoring that. And I use it for stir fries because it can take medium high heat. And I make a lot of vegetarian stir fries. At the same time, I'm making shrimp fried rice for my boyfriend in a different pan, and never the two should touch. So cold pressed, definitely use it in your Chinese dishes. It definitely tastes like sesame oil, so you don't want to just toss it on a salad unless you're prepared for that to taste like it, or drizzle it on something. You could dip bread in it, but I really wouldn't. It's really not the right kind of flavor when you're thinking like a good crusty Italian bread. It should be dipped in just regular garlic oil, olive oil. So that is about all the info. Certified organic by MOFGA. Not sure what that means, but good to know. Medium high heat cooking made with organic sesame seeds from Mexico. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.